We can use the basic strategy for solving linear equations to solve for a certain variable if there are two or more variables involved. This happens often when dealing with formulas. In this case, we first move all terms containing the variable to one side and all other terms to the other side. Next, we factor out the variable and divide both sides by the coefficient. So let's do this on some examples from page 5. First, solve for r. C is 2 pi r. To isolate r, we divide both sides by 2 pi and simplify. And so here is our answer. Example 2. Solve for L. P is 2L plus 2W. We use the basic strategy, so we need to move all terms that contain L to one side and all other terms to the other side. So we move 2W to the left by subtracting 2W from both sides. Then we simplify by combining alike terms. Next, we isolate L by dividing both sides by 2. And we simplify. And there is our answer. Example 3. Solve for B. A is 1/2 B times H. Again, we use the basic strategy. We start by eliminating fractions by multiplying both sides by 2. We simplify. Next, we can isolate B by dividing both sides by H and simplifying. And there is our answer. Final example, solve for y. 2y plus 5 is x times 3 minus 7y. We use the basic strategy. So we eliminate parentheses by FOILing out. Next, we need to move all terms that contain y to one side. So here we move negative 7xy to the left by adding 7xy to both sides. We simplify by combining alike terms. Next, we move 5 to the right by subtracting 5 from both sides. And simplifying by combining alike terms. In order to isolate y, we first need to factor out y to figure out what the coefficient of y is. So we factor out y on the left-hand side. Now we can isolate y by dividing both sides by 2 plus 7x, the coefficient. Simplifying, we get our final answer.